L-Remote is a system that allows us to register the control panels for access from any location. We will see how to register, how to create installers, installations, and register the remote cards. Start by opening the browser to access the web address lremote.com. Then, click on Register and select the desired language. The registration form has been simplified to a single step. It is important that we have access to the selected email, as we will receive an activation email at the end of the registration. The virtual domain name is generated automatically. We proceed by checking the conditions box and clicking on Register. In a few seconds, we will receive the activation link, which will be validated by COFEM in less than 72 hours. Once the account is validated, we will log in with our username and password. We will see a summary of the equipment, installations, and installers, if we created any previously. To add a new installer, select Installers in the menu and then New Account. The installer user will be the one used by those that we want to give access to the remote system and the remote Invox application. In our example, it will be technico1.cofem.com. If we select the access level Administrator, the user will be able to create installations and have more functionality. In the Installations menu, select New Installation to add a new facility to our registry. Fill in the required files. Those marked with a blue asterisk are optional but can help us if we need to contact the center staff. In order to register the remote board, we must access the menu Manage Boards, New Board. The serial number can be found on the label on the board. Then, we type Master in the user field and 9000 in the password one. Note these fields can be changed to any words you choose. The external IP is different from the local IP that is set in the control panel, and although it is dynamic, the server will update it automatically, and we will not have to configure it again. The port must be the same as the one set in the control panel and has to be open. After validation, we can write the name of the board or control panel, add a description, and save the data. In the Control Board All Boards menu, we will see the registered control panel. If we click on the plus symbol, we add the installers to which we want to give access. We can also link control panels to an installation. For this, we enter in Installations, All Installations, then we link them by clicking in the symbol More. In the section All Boards, we can access the virtual panel of the control panel with the indicated button. We will enter the user and password. In our case, it will be Master 9000. Now, we can access the remote system from any device. From COFEM, we thank you for joining us in this video.